You've seen 3D printed parts with lattices, with gyroids, but how about Spherenes? I'm Stephanie Hendrickson with Additive Manufacturing Media here at Formnext 2024, standing in front of the Spherene booth. Spherene is a Swiss startup that has developed software tools for filling build geometries, build envelopes with Spherenes. Spherenes are inverse sphere structures, so each part can be filled with just one Spherene. There is an inner and an outer labyrinth. And the geometry comes out looking something like this. There are many variables that can be manipulated here. The openings can be changed in terms of their density. You can manipulate the wall thickness. You can close off certain openings if you want to. But the advantage of using Spherenes, you get all of the lightweighting, all of the material reduction of something like a lattice, but with better distribution of force. So if there is something pressing down on this volume, the force is spreading through all of these minimal surfaces instead of just one solid form. Potential applications for this design strategy include things like brackets, where you want to maintain strength while reducing weight, footwear, where you might want to manipulate the density and the other properties to provide for elasticity versus stiffness, and even things like heat exchangers. You can print a heat exchanger geometry filled with one Spherene and use that as the two different sides of your heat exchanger. Spherene's design tools are available right now as a software plugin for certain CAD packages, including Rhino and Fusion 360. They're working on a collaboration with NTOP that'll be available sometime next year. If you're interested in learning more about Spherene, you can find a full-length article on our website, additivemanufacturing.media, also linked in the show notes. Thanks for watching.